If you're seeing itch.io error code 500, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes you can try right now to get back on the site faster. This kind of error usually means there's a problem on the server side, a browser issue, or sometimes just a temporary glitch that can be fixed with a couple of quick steps. So if you're trying to browse, play, or download something on itch.io and the page keeps failing, follow along with me. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, check whether itch.io is actually having a wider outage. Open your browser and go to Downdetector. Once you're there, search for itch.io and look at the report graph and recent comments. If a lot of people are reporting the same issue, that usually means the error is on itch.io's end, not yours. In that case, there may not be a direct fix on your side, and the best option is often to wait a little while and try again later. But if Downdetector shows no major spike, then the issue is more likely something local to your browser or device. So keep going with the next steps. The next thing to try is a hard refresh. A normal refresh can still load saved data from your browser cache, but a hard refresh forces your browser to request a fresh version of the page. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. If you're on Mac, press Command Shift and O. After that, give the page a few seconds to reload and see if the error disappears. This simple step often fixes pages that are stuck loading old or broken files. If the problem is still there, try opening itch.io in a different browser or in an incognito or private window, because extensions and cached cookies can sometimes interfere with the site. Also, if you're trying to play or download a game, don't forget about the itch.io desktop app. In many cases, the standalone app works better than the browser version for downloads and game access. If the website keeps throwing error 500 when you're trying to launch or get a file, downloading and using the desktop app can be a much smoother workaround. Open the itch.io app, sign in if needed, and see whether your library or download page loads properly there. That can save you a lot of time when the browser version is acting up. If none of those steps work, the issue may still be temporary, so try again after a short wait, restart your browser, and make sure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes a server error clears up on its own once the platform recovers. So to recap, check Downdetector first, do a hard refresh, and if you're downloading or playing games, switch to the itch.io desktop app. Those are the fastest fixes most people should try for itch.io error code 500. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe for more helpful fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.